Welcome to Englishify.
Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Clara. You look happy. What's going on?
I was looking at my family photos.
Oh, family time. You love that.
Yes, I do. These pictures bring back so many good memories.
Can I see them too?
Sure. Come here.
Okay, who's first?
This one is my dad.
Oh, yes, your dad. I like him. He's always kind to me.
He likes you too. He says you talk a lot.
Hey, I call that being friendly.
He works in an office, you know.
Yes, I remember. He told me funny stories about his job.
He's been working there for over 20 years.
Wow, that's a long time. He must be very patient.
He is. Okay, next, my mom.
Ah, your mom, the best cook in the world.
She'll be happy to hear that.
Every time we visit, she makes something amazing.
She enjoys cooking for family.
I enjoy eating her food.
Of course you do.
What's next?
My brother, Max.
Oh, yes, the funny guy with too many jokes.
That's him. He's studying engineering now.
Smart and funny, a dangerous mix.
And here's my sister, Emma.
Oh, she changed her hair.
Yes, she did. I think it looks nice.
I agree, she always looks confident.
She practices piano every day.
I remember her playing last Christmas. She was amazing.
She's really talented.
Definitely. Okay, who's next?
My grandmother.
Oh, I love her smile. She's so sweet.
She loves knitting and watching old movies.
She once tried to teach me knitting. It didn't go well.
I remember that. You made a knot, not a scarf.
I called it modern art.
She liked your energy anyway.
And your grandfather, here he is.
Yes, he always looks serious in pictures, but he's very funny in real life.
Oh, yes, I remember his stories about school.
He was a teacher for many years.
That explains why he asked me so many questions.
He just likes talking to you.
I like him too. He's a great storyteller.
My grandparents are really special to me.
I can see that. Your family is full of kind people.
Thanks, Leo. They love when you visit.
Good. Next time, I'll bring a cake.
You just want an excuse to eat more.
Maybe, but it works.
Okay, that's all the photos for today.
That was nice. I love hearing your family stories.
Thanks for looking with me.
And thank you everyone for watching this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time on Englishify.
Bye, everyone.